Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Python. Today we are going to talk about the Python, the future of the technologies, how Python is integrating and how this is making to the next level, how these things are faster. So the Python is the fourth most, this is the fourth most used programming languages in 2024 recently, and about 50% of developers worked on it. About 50% plus developers are working on it, and 85 times of the Python was used as primarily programming languages for the development. Okay, so if I talk about the most popular uses of Python, so the most popular uses if we're talking about, so 40% are used in machine learning. Okay, and in ML the 40% of machine learning. Then if we talk about in the 55%, the things are in the data science. And one more thing, that is 50% are used in web development. So these are some percentage of Python which are currently used in the industries by the developers to build their systems. Okay, so these are the some of the few like percentage of the most popular users of the Python. And if I talk about the companies like Google, Instagram, Facebook, Quora, Spotify, and these all the companies are top companies are using Python. If you want to see, you can just quickly go and you can check top companies using Python. Okay, so you get a list like Netflix is the leading video streaming over 230 billion subscriber globally. It is using Python. We have Instagram, we have Spotify, we have Facebook. So that's why making like using these big companies are using. That's why it's make interest of learning the Python, and to make the things automate. We can learn C++ also, Java also, but right now the Python has been in the booming in the market. You can learn this Python and you can integrate yourself, automate yourself with the things with the faster. Python developers had outnumbered Java developer 8.2 million as compared to 7.6 million. This Python has been adopting by most of the developers. So let's talk about the features of the Python. What all the features has been provided by the Python. Basically, is first of all it is free and it's open source. Okay, it's free and open source. Secondly, if we talk about it, it is easy to code. Okay, then third, it's easy to read. We can easily code, we can easily read. Then fourth comes with that is portable. Okay, it's quite easy, portable. Then it's have integrated language like this. We have allocating memory dynamically. If we want to expand the memory, we can automatically dynamically we can expand it. Now we have talked about this use cases, future of the technologies, and all this part. Now the main point comes like why to use Python, why we are using Python. So why Python? Okay, this question, this big question comes up, like why to use Python. Because it's generally works on different operating systems. Like you can work on Windows. Okay, it can work on Mac, it can work on Linux. So it's suitable and it's portable, uh, where Python can be installed and easy to use it. Okay, then second, it has a simpler syntax. Syntaxes are quite simple, and basically it's similar to the English language only. If you want to print something, if you want to write something, so there's some is equals to English language only. Like the syntaxes are quite similar to the English language only. Then has a syntax that's allowed developer to write program with fewer lines than some other programming languages. As I talked before in the previous video, we have seen like in the C++ it takes something around 10 to 12 lines to print something. In Java it takes 6 to 7 lines to print something, but in Python it takes only one line to print something. So that's why when we write the program in Python, it's take only a fewer line to develop something. Okay, it's basically run as an interpreter system, that is code can be executed as soon as it is written, meaning that prototype can be very quick. We don't need a such compiler to compile it. Okay, and then coming next we have it can be treated in a procedural way as object oriented programming as a function way. Like we create a function and we just call that function so that we don't need to repeatedly write that function. Like something, we have a function about 10 lines, so we just call that function name. So it have been treated as a producer way, quicker way to get this part. Then all these things are there, which makes a Python using uh, quite companies are adapting, and they are easy to use automation things, and these things quite makes easier for us, and using and use case our syntaxes are quite easy to use. That's why the most of the companies and the most of the developers are switching from Java, C++ to Python, as it's simpler to make. And if you generally do a coding in DSA, data structure, if we talk about the data structures part, so it also make the data structures, and if we do in the Python, it's make the things quite simpler. We don't need to write a multiple line. There are some, we just need to create a function, and we just need to call that function. We have to write the particular things into that particular function. So this makes cool things about the Python. We have seen. In the next video, we are going to talk about how you can install Anaconda, how you can work with the Python. We'll start working with the Python. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and please share and like, subscribe my video channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.